Hello, this is George Senda, the real, authentic, original, official, the one, the only, the authentic, the guy from Pittsburgh. And this is Burgh Unboxing. Now, this thing is very heavy, and the box of the item is torn when it arrived. I'm very happy about that. I hope it didn't get damaged. But this is what I got. Now, they call this a crock pot. It's supposed to be a Dutch oven, non-electric cookware, enameled cast iron Dutch oven, but it says crock pot, 2 pieces, very, very heavy, 7 quarts, and perfect for cooking, servage, storage, dishwasher, and retains heat evenly. So, let's open this up. I've already opened up the side. Let me try to figure out how I'm going to get this open. The side is torn. Oh, here, tabs here. With tape, the usual tape. Okay, hold on. It's windy again out there. The wind stopped howling last night at 10 o'clock, but the freezing winds are still going on. I will be definitely going to the store today. No live video, but doing all video. Because I need to get food to put in these devices, including my new pressure cooker. Okay. This thing is stubborn. Well, I just tore the other part of the box. Trying to get the tab. They are in there tight. Wow. Okay, I'm trying. Guess I'm just going to cut from the hell with it. I'll never get them out of here. Okay, there we go. Now, this is real. I didn't realize these things. I never had one. I had a Dutch oven, I think, in Oakland in 1990, 96, and then I lost my storage, lost my Dutch oven. The manager of public storage was always 1 month off. Said she sent me a notice. Oh, that's what this. I thought this was made out of ceramic. This thing is apparently metal. Lord. Okay. That's why it's so heavy. Wow. Oh yeah. It is seriously heavy. And I'll move the box out of the way. This is the box that came in. The box is huge. Box inside of a box. Alright. And I've got it on my lap, on my knees actually. Here's the lid. And bag. And some kind of bumps on the inside. I'm not sure why. Got bumps. And very, very heavy. It says crock pot. Maybe these were crock pots before the electric crock pots. I don't know. Okay. Let me take off the other thing of plastic. There is in here a recipe thing. Skillet steak. I've made those with metal skillets. Carrots au gratin. Chicken chili verde. braised short ribs and blue cheese polenta. I have no idea what polenta is. Oven roasted chicken and vegetables. Crab and corn chowder. I can't eat corn anymore. Thai green curry with shrimp. I don't like curry. Baked potato soup. And rainbow bean and ham soup. That might be pretty good. And then they show you a blue one and a red one. Well, my favorite color being red. I got a red one. Then there is care instructions and warranty here. And then finally, there's a tag here. It says, handles will get hot during use. Use pot holders or oven mitts. Well, I think you're going to need that anyway because this thing is super heavy. Alright, there it is. How much this thing weighs, but I believe it's metal, but this thing is the heaviest pot I've ever had, except for the one in Oakland, maybe. That's been 30 years ago, so there it is, the crock pot, and we will see what happens when we start cooking it. Put that on the floor. Alright, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day, and prayers to the people in New York City who got wounded today. And I hope they catch the guy who did it. Alright, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Bye-bye for now.